Meet Lily Carter, the spirited owner of Carter's Cozy Bakery nestled in the heart of Austin, Texas. Despite the sunny skies, Lily's bakery was experiencing a chill with declining sales and dwindling foot traffic. In a spark of inspiration, Lily turned to the internet for solutions, hoping to find a recipe for success. It was there, in the depths of a keto diet forum, that she discovered a vibrant discussion about the scarcity of delicious, low-carb bread options. This revelation set off a lightbulb in Lily's mind. What if she could fill this niche in the market? Fueled by her newfound purpose, Lily threw herself into the challenge with unwavering dedication. Night after night, the bakery was ablaze with activity, as Lily experimented with almond and coconut flours to craft the perfect keto-friendly loaf. Despite many setbacks and moments teetering on the edge of despair, her persistence paid off. Finally, from her oven emerged a golden loaf of bread that was nothing short of miraculous, heavenly in taste, enticing in aroma, and perfect in texture. Lily had done it. She'd created a bread that could very well revolutionize her bakery. With a mix of excitement and nerves, Lily unveiled her keto bread at Carter's Cozy Bakery. The result was nothing short of astounding. The loaves flew off the shelves, selling out in just a few hours. Word of this scrumptious, health-conscious bread spread like wildfire throughout Austin. Lily's creation was not just a hit, it was a phenomenon that reeled in crowds of eager new customers alongside her loyal following. The bakery, once quiet, buzzed with the energy of excited patrons, all clamoring for a taste of Lily's innovative baking triumph. Riding the wave of her groundbreaking success, Lily didn't stop at just bread. Her bakery's menu blossomed with an array of keto-friendly pastries and snacks, each new introduction celebrated like a festival in Austin's tight-knit community. Carter's Cozy Bakery transformed into a vibrant hub, teeming with activity and joy. It became not just a place to grab a quick bite, but a destination, a gathering spot for those devoted to a keto lifestyle and for anyone in pursuit of delicious, innovative treats. Lily's vision had ignited a culinary revolution, drawing smiles and satisfaction from every customer who walked through her doors. Now at the pinnacle of her career, Lily Carter looks back at her dramatic turnaround from the brink of closure to iconic status. Carter's Cozy Bakery, once a small local venue, is now a must-visit culinary landmark in Austin. With dazzling pride, Lily maps out the next chapter, replicating her success statewide by launching keto corners throughout Texas. Each new location to embody her original vision, providing delicious, healthy food that brings community and innovation together. As Lily plans this exciting expansion, her spirit and determination are a testament to the power of passion and perseverance in transforming dreams into reality.